Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Randy's Real Nice Home Renovation Show. Today we're doing a little bit of carpentry. Now, the customer here has requested some repairs on her staircase because it's just, well, very dangerous. The previous owner used nails, which I'm not a big fan of, so we're going to go ahead. Now, because this is television and time is on our side, I've gone ahead and removed what was left of these nails. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and place that. Now I'm using 1 1/4 inch nails because that's all I had in the garage. One might want to consider using a 2-inch nail or at least 1.5 inches. So we're going to go ahead and fasten this step down. Okay, it's just that simple. We're going to go ahead and give this a test out. Yep, come off my boot. Okay. Oh my, okay. See what I did there. I mistakenly put the screws in the wrong step there. That's all the time we have today. Thanks for tuning in.